Hey everyone, Peter here from Advisors Digest. Today I'm going to talk about CPD. CPD can become a hassle for a lot of accountants. We have to do, on average, 40 hours a year. We need to keep a record of it, and we get audited if we haven't done the 40 hours. If we go and fill our diary out on our professional body's website, then they'll have a look, they go, yeah, no problem. But if your diary hasn't been filled out, then at the end of the period, they go, well, Peter, you haven't done your 40 hours a year or your 120 hours over 3, time to audit. I know, I cop that all the time myself. What do? I usually study at university, I download my academic statement, I send it through, updated, no problem, there's your 120 hours over the 3 years, Pete. But a lot of us don't do that. We don't have the time to go to formal university studies. So we spend all this time trying to find CPD. And there's this mismatch. Some CPD is just there to fill the hours, but it doesn't really teach you anything. What you really want is CPD that not only fills the hours, but teaches you something that you can use in your practice. And better still, at the end of the year, you can go onto your CPD diary and make one entry. And if you forget and they contact you, you can make one phone call and get your CPD certificate to cover everything that you need to do. So what have we done at Advisors Digest? We've now introduced our complete 40 hours CPD tax package. Now, because we know you actually want to learn something, we've got one of the best. We've got Peter Adams, Senior Tax Counsel Peter Adams, to come along and give special tax topics every month. A 3-hour tax masterclass under a different tax topic. As well as that, every month, a 1-hour tax update where we cover all the latest legislation changes, rulings, court decisions, anything that you need to know on an ongoing basis as a practicing accountant. So there you have it, in one place, 40 hours of CPD, one certificate at the end of the year to cover your 40 hours. And it's 40 hours of CPD where you will learn something that you can use in your practice. You don't have to leave your office. You don't have to spend money on accommodation or take a whole day to go and work somewhere else and spend the day on your phone because you've got to catch up with emails. It's in your time. We give you the slides. If you can't come live, then you can download the slides. You can watch the recordings online at your leisure, or if you like to attend live, come along and interact with the presenter. 40 hours of CPD in one place. If you'd like to know more, click on the button or the link below, and I really look forward to seeing you in our training.